Welcome to the Docker course. I hope you're having an amazing time where you are. In today's lesson, I'll give you a short introduction of Docker. Let's get started. What is Docker? Docker is a computer program that performs operating system level virtualization, also known as containerization. It was first released in 2013 and is developed by Docker Inc. Docker is used to run software packages called containers. Why Docker? Leading companies rely on the container platform to build, manage, and secure all their applications from traditional applications to cutting-edge microservices and deploy them anywhere in the world. Docker gives you agility, meaning you can standardize and automate the way you build, manage, and secure applications across departments. You can unify and automate operations, scale, and efficiency over entire containerized application environment. Management of containers is portable across hybrid and multi-cloud. Out-of-the-box dashboards provide visibility over the environment while making it easy to identify and troubleshoot issues. Containers. Docker is used to run software packages called containers. Containers are isolated from each other and bundle their own application tools, libraries, and configuration files. They can communicate with each other through well-defined channels. All containers are run by a single operating system kernel and are thus more lightweight than virtual machines. Containers are created from images that specify their precise contents. Images are often created by combining and modifying standard images downloaded from public repositories. To learn how to sign up for Docker and how to install Docker on your local machine, please continue to the next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.